I'm going to show you how to use Live Paint. So Live Paint only works when your shapes are completely closed off. Right here it seems like this shape isn't closed off because it's the same color as the background, but when I hover over it, you can see that the red path goes all the way around it, and that signifies a closed off shape. Her face is closed off. Her upper lip is all one, like the upper part of the lip to the lower lip is all one shape, and then the bottom and upper lip are their own shapes. And same with the top of the cup. So to get Live Paint to start, you use your black arrow and you select everything. And then the Live Paint option is underneath the Shape Builder tool. So the shortcut is K. And what you want to do when you have Live Paint selected is you just click on your document. It's telling me that my artwork is pretty complex, so I'm going to hit OK. And then here's when you can pick your group. So I'm going to select my group here. And as you notice, as I use my arrow keys to move through, you can see my colors are all changing. So this is a really quick way to add colors. So let's say that I want to add, okay. So you'll know you're in Live Paint when you hover over a shape and it gets even more highlighted. So it's making these two shapes different, but actually they're the same. So maybe I want to change into a light blue. I just drop that color in. I want to go give the face a color, so I drop the color in. I want the upper lips to be a little bit of like a peachy tone, so I can drop that in there. I'll go ahead and change the darker areas above the lips just so you can see the difference. So this is all one shape, and then it'll go in there, and then you'll see it will not bleed out because technically I do have that shape closed off. As you can see, I made another shape here just to fill it. But if I'm working on a final, I know this is going to be my darkest color. Same with here. These are the shadows around the lips, the inside of the lip. I want the top of my cup to appear three-dimensional, so I want that dark inside. Maybe you want to change this outside color to like a lighter pinkish color. You just drop the color in. And then when you're done, you would just click on your black arrow and it deselects everything. And that's a really quick way to add color instead of having to select the shape with the white arrow and then drop the color in. Live Paint is a really quick way to do that.